The women's wing of the National People's Party of Meghalaya had organized a press conference on 26 July 2023 wherein they had condemned the recent incident that had taken place at Tura on 24 July 2023, wherein the public had attacked the CMO's premises, which resulted in injury of a few police and CRPF personnel and causing a threat to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma. Speaking to reporters, the state president of the NPP Women's Wing, P. Nongplu, expressed shock and disappointment at the attack on the CMO at Tura with an intention to harm the CM. She lamented that if the CM can be targeted, how much more would innocent citizens be harmed through such intentions?
We wanted to talk to the press for condemning the Violence Act. What had happened to our Chief Minister and the 5 police officers who have been injured.
Nangni samat ni kapat iki pa iki NGO yaki ba organize kanu ka meetings bangimday banlong nginde na Maria ka regioni la ong bangide ka bite play nay dagni pet yakin giski kata ka nam kaburam jani ka nangja dakat usip ni sangin ala bande untuk ka tay kaway ka bangi kwa ban khat ka conference ka long bangin khat iki kon samla jani thamtam iki samla jong ka state hi baro kaway ban nginda perkhat shwa ka ka bangin le na malada jai yaki tuki kun ki balik meeting ha tu kaski thai ka kami ka ban yam la pa ko yen tingi kerpa yaki kun samla jani habangin le ka kanu ka la da manu bapan shit ne baban ong ngine le de ka kam ka bamla ban dia ngim dei ban le ko mi ka